Yeah, this is one of those things where it's like, you know, unless the amount of time you're spending doing it manually is
Yeah,
way more than it's going to take to automate it, you might as well just do it manually.
precisely. So here's okay, so we've talked about that. So I'm going to clean the app.
Yeah.
Sorry, clean the tables. And this is what you said about buying Pro. Let's not do Pro until we know what Amy's timeline is.
Okay.
So
Well, I just wanted, because the advantage of Pro is it then takes your email. I don't have to, right? Like it's going to use your real email. No?
it might, but like I said, the way we've designed it, there's never a situation when you will be able to see that
Okay.
wonky email.
Okay.
You
No.
only have access to it because I haven't enabled the black screen.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm gonna,
That's fine. I was just thinking of the Pro in terms of us testing the actual version that we're going to be going to market with.
yeah, but the Pro doesn't give us.
Yeah, if the Pro doesn't change anything functionally, then
No, it's just it creates more rows.
yeah.
I don't know what this means, like this layouts.
Oh, it means you can do so when I go to remember when I go to the Clarity app, which is the
Yeah,
Pro app, and I look at it on my screen, it's a different layout
that's right.
than what you.
That's where you have the desktop version view.
Yeah, exactly.
Mhm.
So that's all that means.
This is also going to get rid of live branding, which is great. Custom domain we're not going to use at this point in time, and Google Analytics will set up.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So then we don't need to do that. So you just let me know when it's ready for me to.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, we'll base because then I'll also pay.
Why don't you send me the link or the QR code?
What do you mean?
So because I'm gonna install the app.
Yeah,
Like once you clean it up,
yeah,
because I want to test it as if I'm a customer. Like a customer's not going to go into this screen, right?
yeah. That's exactly what I'm planning to do as well. I'm going to test it as well. And because ThriveCard is still in test mode, you'll go through the process of as if you're buying.
Okay.
All of the emails confirmations should come to the email that you use.
Okay. So I'll go to the website, go buy,
Yeah.
register that way. Okay, that makes sense. Don't worry.
Okay, so this is in discussion. I'll take a look at it.
Yeah.
Kevin,
I've got he's confirmed the call for tomorrow night.
Cool.
He's busy last night and tonight, but he said Wednesday night. So I've asked my wife to confirm with him the time so I can send him a Zoom link.
Yeah, see, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that note, but I'm also add card. Let's make sure that we. So I can buy. If you want me, I can buy the app, and you can buy Zapier, or we do it the other way. So that way we're spending pretty much exactly the same. And I still want to reinvest in what you spent with Rumo.
What did I spend?
Well, you spent 75 US
On what?
on Grumo, on Miguel.
Oh, on Grumo. Okay. Yeah. I thought you said Google.
No. Integrations. Okay. Okay. It seems that we've covered everything here. You've seen all of the new stuff. Sequences are set. Integrations are working. Good. Oh, pricing. So here's what I wanted to, when you started talking about this, and I thought, like, we both of us created a version of an Excel spreadsheet that calculated everything. Here's the thing. When you go to an affiliate, you suggest that they sell your app for listed price, which is $9.99.
Yeah.
And if you offer them, let's say, 30% commission,
Yeah.
that means that the price is $666, right? Well, so this is our price.
Yeah.
Which is fantastic. But then on top of that, you can tell them that you will give them a coupon so they can entice more purchases.
Yeah.
And in ThriveCart, you just create a coupon and you can add it to a specific affiliate.
Yeah.
So there is no issue with tracking. If that coupon is used, it means it's attributed to this affiliate.
Yeah.
They can use it, they cannot use it, it doesn't really matter. But
does the affiliate always only get 30% of whatever the post coupon price is?
yes.
Okay.
Why?
Well, I just wanted to make sure that like they're not expecting to get, $3. If they sell it for a coupon with half off, then it's 30% of $5 is what they're getting.
Oh, actually, it's a reasonable question. Let's take a look. Commissions. We're going to assume for these scenarios that your default setup is to pay out an affiliate automatically through your system after 30 days, and you have a 50% commission payout for your products. Let's say a reward affiliate who brought traffic into sales and helped their business run specific dollar amounts and given time. Get automate improvements to the. Holy shit! Look at this. So you can provide incentives to affiliates. If an affiliate sends 10,000 or more in sales to you in a 3-day period, the future commissions will be paid out instantly. You can change how much they get paid. So we can create a laddered program very, very easily, depending on how much they bring in. When affiliate makes a number of sales, how many in the last, for what products, I want to change how much they're paid, set the new commissions. It's pretty spectacular. Wow. Okay. But I was, it's interesting.
It doesn't. I mean, I'm assuming based on the way that's written, they get that percentage of whatever the customer pays.
Yeah, that's right. Perfect. Track, collect details on sales commission. Your affiliates. When a customer purchases your product, your payment process handles the payment, and then if commissions are due to the affiliate, you're responsible for paying them. Well, when setting up your product, we have integrated PayPal accounts. Okay, automatic payments, instant payments, manual payments. Yeah, I've seen this one. Let's see if I can do. Okay. If you provide multiple pricing options, okay, you can choose a fixed commission or percentage-based commission. If you're choosing a percentage-based, it will be based on the price the
The
customer actually pays. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you give them a 25% off coupon, percent. So this is $6.99. So what they've received is $3 essentially, right?
Yeah.
If you give them so this is this multiplied by 0.75, and then they get this times the 1 minus 30%, which means they got, how do I calculate this?
Just subtract those two.
This one? So
Yeah, the
224.
other way around.
Yeah. Yeah, so see, the thing is even though we might provide a coupon to the affiliates, they might not be incentivized to use it.
Yeah.
In which case, we're always left with a higher number. So
Yeah.
I'm going to add verbiage. Huh?
I'm trying to think of a scenario where unless something's selling like hotcakes,
Mhm.
I don't know where somebody would have the incentive not to sell it with the coupon.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know, Greg, because realistically for them, there's no skin off the back. It's not like they're losing money, it's just money that they could have made but didn't make. But what I'm saying is
Well, one of the things I can ask Amy is I want her opinion on whether, like, because our intent really is to be $4.99, right?
Our intent is what?
To be $4.99.
Mm-hmm.
We were just going $9.99 with 50% off as a kind of a gimmick.
Yeah, but we also staggered that because we were contemplating anywhere between 25 and 50% off to the affiliates.
Yeah.
Which in essence brings our price to $4.99.
Yeah.
It's not the end user's price.
Right.
So if we have a 50% coupon, it means that the customer pays $4.99 and then we split the $4.99.
Right.
Which is
but I thought we
kind of the original premise, right?
Yeah. Well, I thought we'd landed on the consumer price, the right price point for the customer was $4.99.
Mm-hmm.
But instead of just being $4.99, the way to get them to $4.99 was to have a $9.99 with a 50% off to make it feel better. But that's what I'm going to get Amy's opinion on. Is that, are we being too clever for our own good, or are we better just to be a straight $4.99? I mean, we had kind of mixed feedback, I guess, in terms of the beta tester so far in terms of the value. Like Joanne, I mean, she didn't use the app, but she said $9.99.
Yeah.
Olga was $4.99. Your sister, I think, was $4.99.
Yeah, $3.99, $4.99.
Jason he was not going to buy the app no matter what because he doesn't buy apps.
Mm-hmm.
So the price for him doesn't really matter. Although I'd say he's more likely to bite at $4.99 than $9.99.
Yeah.
So those are the data points we have currently in terms of real users giving their opinions. But I mean, we've got new information today as well, just this morning, in terms of potential costs of Zapier.
Yes.
So like there's another 80 cents, call it 80 cents to $1 operating costs
Per user.
per purchased app.
Per purchased app per month.
Yeah.
Well, no, Zapier is not per month. Zapier, it's per setup essentially.
Yeah. Is Zapier's not used when people buy books or not?
Oh, hold on. No, Zapier is per month, even if they don't use it. it's the limit on the task, but it doesn't mean that they're not going to charge you if they don't do the tasks. They're still charging you.
Yeah. But it's so it's $75 a month or whatever it is.
Yes,
Whether you use all those tasks or not.
correct.
Yeah.
Plus
So yeah,
the $32.
there's a fixed component if you don't gain users. Does apps only come into effect when people sign up or add users? There's no zaps if it's just adding books and narrations, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Adding books and narrations, that's on Glide.
Yeah.
That's on Glide's limitation. Yeah.
Right. All right. So what's your?
No, my thought is that first and foremost, we are playing around with an affiliate's commission, which can be dynamic from 25% to 50%, depending on sales.
Yeah.
And we can, I mean, if we wanted to do, let's not do it now because we're talking to Amy and this is a very straightforward conversation.
Yeah.
But then we can do a sensitivity analysis on what makes sense. So at which level do you create an additional incentive for the affiliate and move them up to the next tier? Let's say you have 3 tiers, 25, 35, and 50.
Yeah.
And
tiered based on the number of people they sign up.
Yeah, in a given time frame.
Yeah.
So anyone with a higher email list will then automatically go up to 50% very quickly, which is good for us.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is
how does that work? They have to sell a certain number, and then they get, for anything above that number, they get 50%.
That seems to be what that tutorial implied.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and it's all automatic. Which is the beauty of it.
Yeah. So your first 1,000, it's 30%, and then your next 4,000 is 40%, and then anything over 5,000 is 50%.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the thing that I'm thinking about here is, but that's the affiliate commission.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with the price that the consumer is paying, which is where coupons come into play.
Yes.
Now, you and I went with an immediate assumption that 50% is the right amount of coupon, which means that they go to $4.99.
Yeah.
The end user goes to $4.99.
Yeah.
But why is that true? Because we have these few data points that suggest that, right?
Yeah. Well, we have the data points that say $4.99 is the right price to be.
Yeah.
That you're I don't know. I mean, it's the price elasticity, like anything over $5.
Yeah.
You're less likely to buy than if you're under $5.
Yeah. Well, when I was thinking about this as well is when we are promoting it,
yeah,
then we pocket the full $4.99. Yes. Because we can promote it at 50% coupon.
Yeah.
And here's where the rub comes in. With affiliates, if I was an affiliate and the vendor provided a 50% coupon, it's the old retail thing.
Yeah.
It's like, don't advertise it at Amazon on a better price than you're selling it, that I can advertise it at Loblaw.
Yes. Well, that's the whole discussion I was originally saying too, that I don't want to give other affiliates a better deal than that we're giving to Amy. Because she's getting our feet in the door.
Oh, no doubt. It's just what I'm saying is a deal for Amy is 50% of what she sells, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And a 50% coupon that she can give.
Yeah.
Which means that the price for the end user is $4.99 and she gets half of $4.99.
Yeah. Well, that was the deal as of this morning with that new deck was 30%.
Yes, 30%. Sorry, 30% affiliate commission.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the 50% coupon.
50% coupon and 30% commission.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
which means when we go to other affiliates,
Yeah.
we're not going to offer them more than 30%.
Correct. 30% commission, but I guess the question is, what coupon do we offer?
Yes.
Yeah.
But what if they see the bigger this is an interesting thing, because it's very, I don't think we're thinking about this the right way, because if you want to get an affiliate on board, you may have to be more flexible with the commission that you're paying them than the coupon that you're providing. Is that what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
So if they say,
like you can, if you give them a 30% coupon, you can pay them a 50% commission, because dollar wise, it's
yeah,
the same
good point.
difference.
Yeah. Because anything you offer the affiliates, the public doesn't see.
Yeah.
So Amy will come out with the best price on the market by far with a 50% coupon.
Yeah.
Other affiliates, I would suggest that we start off with let's say a 25% commission, which ladders up to 50% easily, depending on the number of people you sign up.
Yeah.
But the coupon that they're offered is something like 25% or 30%.
Yeah.
Just to get it to $6.99, which it's more than what we thought, but
that's the $1 million question, I guess, is, are we setting ourselves up for failure by being more than $4.99 to the customer? I just feel like we were going to just be $4.99, right?
yes.
And then we went to $9.99 with a 50% off, just for the marketing gimmick of showing tremendous value. I don't know, blah blah blah. Now we're contemplating going to market higher than $4.99 for affiliates, just to give them a lesser discount. But is that a flawed strategy? Should we just forget about $9.99 and forget about discounts and just be $4.99?
Well, you know what? This is probably best solved with Amy.
Yeah. Is your resource Jenna? Is she still available to you, or that's all done?
She is, I guess. Why?
I'm just wondering if she would have an opinion on the structure of this.
She's dealing in courses, so her it's very straightforward. There's no coupons for courses. It's just you play with the affiliate commission.
Yeah.
So that was a big conversation we had one time.
Yeah. Okay.
But in her opinion, you just offer whatever the affiliate wants. If you don't have a lot of power.
Yeah. You just bend over and let them give it to you.
Yeah, it's like if you don't have any bargaining power, you just build it up, so then when you have something that I see your question.
The problem is, though, when you're dealing with a course, you're dealing with tens or hundreds or thousands of dollars. When you're dealing with an app, you only got $5 to split up. So it's,
well, that's the point. And what I was thinking is, I don't know Amy's size of email list, but it might be worthwhile. Like if she must have a couple of 100,000 email subscribers. Yeah. Maybe not that much, maybe 100,000.
Yeah.
If she's willing to take this on, we can take 5,000 and 5,000 and just do it 2 ways.
Yeah.
You send them to a page, so she gets 50% commission regardless, but to one, she gives it.
Oh, okay, 5 minutes.
Yeah. To one, she gives a 50% coupon, and to the other, she just promotes it.
Right.
And then you'll see if the price actually matters.
So is the price $9.99 in one scenario and
and
$4.99?
$4.99 in the other scenario, correct?
Okay. Okay. Would you also want to test $4.99 straight up or $9.99 with a 50% coupon? Like you got
Well,
three.
sorry. So my suggestion was the second is you test a $9.99 straight up and the $4.99 after the 50% off coupon.
Okay. So you're not testing a straight up $4.99.
Hey, if she doesn't say no, I would prefer that. I'll build a page. I'll build another AB page, no problem. Just a cloning of the stuff.
Yeah. So there's one scenario is $9.99, no coupon.
Yes.
Another one is $4.99 with the 50% coupon, or I guess $9.99 with a 50% off to get to $4.99. And then the last scenario is straight up $4.99.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be interesting.
Because the conversion, we're talking a lot about this, but we don't have enough points
Yeah, we
to
got
validate. If we
three
give up
people.
the $9.99 and we could have had, remember I sent you a video from Shane, my favorite dude from Thrive Themes.
Yeah.
And he was explaining the curve and the changes in conversion as prices go up.
Mhm.
So his point was that conversions don't change as dramatically as prices do.
Yeah.
In other words, conversion on a $79 course and a, hold on. Conversion on the $79 course and the, oh Christ, hold on. Is this better? Can you hear the sound in the background?
No, I didn't really hear anything before either.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I should have asked before. So it's 79 and a $149. The difference in conversion is 2.35 versus 2.14.
Yeah.
So if we can move at $9.99, I would rather play around then with coupons to different affiliates.
Yeah.
And never will they have a better coupon than Amy does.
Yeah. Maybe I can get her opinion on the pricing too.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's going to be, I think that's going to be more valuable than you and I guessing.
Yeah. I think one of the value propositions that I don't think the testing really vetted was the notion of the other people in your family having the app, access to the app.
Yes.
Like I think people thought of it as their own singular thing.
Instance, yeah.
But clearly, like if you're a husband and wife, or a husband and husband, or a non-binary and a non-binary,
doesn't matter. Yeah,
you get, you and your partner each have the app on your phone. Like that's two instances of the app there. And then if you have extended family beyond that, or if you have a tablet, you have other devices in your home, you put the app on. Like you're not paying for all those other instances.
Yes.
Because they're not true instances. They're just connection points, really. So I don't know if, like, to me, when I start factoring in that kind of thing, that's where the value proposition in my head goes up to, okay, $9.99. Like it's $9.99 is like your family price.
Yes.
Versus a $4.99 is your individual price.
Hold on. I'm still sharing my screen, right?
Yeah.
This just gave me an idea. Story time. I'm just thinking that this can say, what did you use? Family instance members?
family members. Well, I was thinking of it as an instance, but I don't know if that unlimited family members. I mean, I've been using the terminology family group, but I don't know if that's the right terminology. Like this is where the app isn't simple. This is where it gets confusing for people, is that we've, you know what I mean? Like the I don't know if people get, I was actually going to do an animated video for this around the adding family members to show how you can have your own family, they can have their own family, and you can both be part of each other's family.
Yep.
Because it's kind of a unique scenario for this.
Yeah, this is where the app stops
App.
being an app and it's actually a website.
Yeah.
Whoops. Does this make it any clearer? Or does this communicate value better?
Yeah, maybe. I don't think anyone's really going to read that statement and fully understand what it means.
Oh.
Like it's the kind of thing we need to build a little story around it
Yeah.
that says, like, here's you buy the app. Now you add your partner to it. They can put the app on their device. You don't have to pay again. You've already paid for your family group. Now your parents show up. You can put the app on their phone. That's all included in your plan. Oh, but now your brother wants to have it for his own family. Boom, now he has to buy it to create his own family group. There's some kind of messaging around that we'll need to explain, because it's not, I don't think it's intuitive for people.
I think what you just said is I think what you just said makes a lot of sense. Yeah. I think that has to be, maybe we even place a video like that.
And there, I wouldn't say, I don't know if I'd say for free, as much as included or something. Because
Yeah, this is like, I mean, you're right. I mean, we're talking in language because we know the intricacies. If you're the first time visiting here,
yeah,
included in what? I've never seen.
Well, included with your purchase. Like when I see $9.99 and then I see unlimited family members for free, does free mean I don't have to buy anything? Because that's what free means.
Mm-hmm.
But it's like, maybe you say includes unlimited family members. People still won't really know what that means.
No.
I don't know if this is where, like on the, like on other things, you have the little I button and you can click it and then you get a pop-up of like explaining what that is. I don't know if that's the way to do that or if it's just a, or I think it's just a store. It's like a, what do I get when I buy? And there's an animated video that explains how this works. I'll work on that today. I have a pretty good idea in my mind of what I'm envisioning.
Yeah, and maybe we even include a video somewhere at the top, like that short kind of overview style.
Yeah, like I think that's where our email sequences and stuff come in as people they buy the app, and then it's like we're training them as they go. But here's who you can add. Here's the scenarios.
Yeah, but this is past purchase. I mean, what you just talked about, and I can't help but agree, is
Yeah.
you want to communicate value of the
Yeah.
price that you're paying.
Yeah.
And that is not communicated until you buy the app, essentially.
Yeah. Yeah. I know this overcomplicates things, but for whatever reason, I have it in my head of like, is it, do you go $4.99 for the single instance? And then if they want to create add their family members, access to the app on their devices, then they got to upgrade to the family plan.
Yeah, there's so many things that you can test.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to overcomplicate it.
That takes away from the original intent of the use of the app, though. That's what I fear, because the thought, because we will have to change a lot of the text above.
Yeah.
To imply that if you just pay $4.99, then you're the only one who can use it.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, to me, there's two things that is. It's unlimited family members, but it's also unlimited devices. Versus a regular app, right? Like normally on an app, if you had a tablet and you had a PC or whatever, those are separate installations. Anyway, let me take Amy through the whole thing, and we'll see if anything comes up for her.
Let's not just.
Yeah, let's not blow the whole thing up.
Yeah, and I also am, the more I'm thinking about this, I mean, we've lived with this is now seeking perfection. For all we know, $9.99 is a very palatable price point for the offer for specific people who really can see the benefit in this app.
Yeah.
Because remember, in most use cases, like I don't know if my sister ever used the app after she tested it.
Yeah.
I don't know if your brother has. So that usage is non-existent. Those are not the customers that we're.
Yeah.
Those are not the droids we're looking for.
Yeah, exactly. All right, I gotta go. I gotta walk this dog.
Okay, I'm cleaning up the pages. I'm creating a blank instance of what we do. So the only thing you will not see is when you invite people, the zap will not work.
Okay.
Unless I can go in and try to figure out how I can make it work.
So just ping me when I can go into the website and start building my family.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. Bye-bye.